Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am Michael Jan Balmaceda, an aspiring Mr. DComC 2021. Taking care of ourselves is necessary. Being fit and healthy is essential. In attaining healthy and fit lifestyle, you should eat healthy foods and should engage in any outdoor activity such as sports. Growing up, playing any kind of sports is what I love and enjoy. Engaging in sports gives a lot of benefits in our health, especially our world is facing a global pandemic, the COVID-19. Being physically healthy is our topmost priority, so engaging in any recreational activity such as sports is a must. With the help of this, we can become physically fit, and it will also strengthen our immunity system. Aside from physical health, sports also deals with mental health issues. As a student, I experience stress due to loaded school activities. I play any kind of sports as a stress reliever. In connection with the global pandemic, some people are isolated due to the restriction that was implemented by the government. Some people experience depression, anxiety, and stress. So engaging in any activities strengthens the morale, it will help society and build our social capacity. With this, those who are engaged in sports can practice and build sportsmanship, integrity, and As a candidate, I will use this platform to advocate that teenagers should be engaged in sports to improve one's health, strength, and emotional balance. And we should believe in the saying that one's health is the greatest wealth. Again, I am Michael Jan Balmaceda, currently taking Bachelor of Culture and Arts Education, Diyos Mabalos sa Indogabos.